Hi everyone, my name is MUAAMAR. I will start the introduction part in our project. Let's start now with task distribution. The project tasks have been equally distributed among the group members. Firstly, I am on researching and studying the definition purpose and other aspects of DHEYAB. And I also am visiting the virtualization software and the operating system utilized in this work. Secondly, Nguyen is charging of networking, configuring, and DHEYAB service setup, including testing procedures. Thirdly, Jessy is charged researching, configuring, and testing the SFTP service. Last, AQEELA is charged the researching, configuring, and testing the web service for everyone who participated will share all of their results with the other members. Therefore, all members will get the opportunity to learn how to configure the network, set up its necessary service, and even build firewall machine. Secondly, the project overview: enhance convenience in networking management, ensuring networking security, and improving online access for customers and staff are critical for companies' success. And the DHEYAB, SFTP, and web service are required to set up for the network on Linux service, and all Linux client will be created to simulate the real networking using Firewall box, and is divided to some section. One of them objective and expected outcome and scope, and every section have specific point. Thirdly, operating system. We use Debian 11 due to various features that make it a stand-alone when it comes to Linux-based operating systems, such as stability and software selection, security and community driver development, and flexibility and philosophy. Last one, we will talk for virtualization software. VirtualBox is a powerful source and cross platform virtualization software developed by Oracle. It allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. We use VirtualBox due to its easy to use interface and light size that make it able to run on many devices. Other reasons are cross-platform compatibility, virtual machine creation and management, CAS OS support, snapshot and cloning, virtual machine interaction. Thank you.
My name is Nguyen. I will present the part of DHCP. Before going to the testing procedure, I will go through introduction of DHCP. DHCP full name is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a network management protocol used on IP network. DHCP automatically assign IP address and other network configuration information like subnet mask, default gateway, DNS servers to device connected to a network. So now we're going to the testing procedure. Now we will pin to the client. Pin -C5 192.168.1.5. We have successful pin to the client because 0 packet loss. Next, we will pin to the network. We also successful pin to the network because 0 packet loss. Next, we will use the command pin to server. we successfully pin to the server. Now we will try to pin to the network. So we cannot pin to the network because for the client only can pin to the server, cannot pin to the network. That is all for my part for the DHCP.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessie. Today I'm going to demonstrate the SFTP part. First of all, we should update and upgrade our system. Then we can install the Open SSH server package. Then we should confirm the SSHD status is inactive. Then we will create a home directory for the SFTP, which is srv/sftp. Then we will create a group also for SFTP. Then add a SFTP only users called G25 and give it a password. Then we will configure the SSH service by uncomment the password authentication yes, and then add a content start with mesh group SFTP users and so on. Then we will restart the SSHD and we will check again the status is inactive. And now we can connect our Linux client to the server. And this part I will demonstrate using my Linux client. First of all, we should connect our client to the server by this command. The IP address behind is the IP address of my server, and we should insert the correct password. If we are successfully connected, then the SFTP prompt will come up like this. Then, before check the connectivity, we should change our directory first to testing. This is because I have created a directory for Linux server in this part called testing. So we will change our directory to testing first. Then now we can see whether our client is already connected to the server or not by using put command. We are going to put a file to the SFTP and see it will appear in server or not. If you are not confirmed with the name of the file, so you can use ls command to see the file in the directory. I'm now going to put the file called testingfile2.txt. So now the testingfile2.txt is successful uploaded to the SFTP. And now we will check in the Linux server. The testing file 2 is here, so means that it already connected. Thank you.
Moving on to the next part, I'm AQEELA are going to explain about our web server. Before that, I would like to elaborate more on the meaning of web service. It is a software that serves web pages over the internet and handle requests from the user. Basically, it delivers the requested web to anyone who requests it. In our project, we use Apache 2 as our web service. To install the Apache 2, you can use this command sudo apt install Apache 2. But please update the apt beforehand. Now, check the status of the Apache 2, whether it is running successfully or not. You can use this command sudo system control status Apache. As you guys can see here, the status is running successfully. If you paste your local host IP address on the Firefox, a default page like this will be shown. Alright, now I will show you the content of our group website. This is the command where it will open the HTML file of our group where you can edit the website homepage. As you can see here, the website will display this text. Now, for the testing procedure of the web server, you need to open Firefox and paste your local host IP address. For example, our IP address is 192.168.1.254. Alright, now it is successfully displaying our output of the HTML code. Thus, we can conclude that the web server for our group is a success. Alright, that's all from us. Thank you.